Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
お好み焼き
which means a savory Japanese pancake containing a variety of ingredients. Let's say it all together.
お好み焼き
One more time.
お好み焼き
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. O, ko, no, am I, yak, I. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.